Smart Proxy Service Honest Review Watch before using. Most people think all proxy services are basically the same, but the surprising truth is that speed, stability, and IP quality can make or break your online work, and Smart Proxy is one of the names that keeps coming up in conversations about serious proxy users. Smart Proxy is a premium proxy service that offers residential, mobile, and data center IP addresses. These proxies are commonly used for web scraping, ad verification, sneaker copying, managing multiple accounts, and accessing region-locked content. Here's what most people get wrong. They believe proxies are only for tech experts. Smart Proxy actually simplifies the process. Once you sign in, you get access to dashboards, proxy lists, and setup guides that make it surprisingly beginner-friendly. The biggest strength of Smart Proxy is its residential IP pool. It offers millions of rotating IPs from real devices around the world. This makes it much harder for websites to detect that you are using a proxy, which improves success rates and reduces bans. Speed and uptime are also key factors. Smart Proxy advertises high uptime and fast connection speeds, which are critical for tasks like scraping large websites or running automated tools. However, the surprising truth is that Smart Proxy is not the cheapest option on the market. You are paying for reliability, quality IPs, and strong infrastructure. If you only need proxies for very light personal use, you may find cheaper alternatives. Pricing is usually based on bandwidth usage, especially for residential proxies. That means heavy users need to track how much data they consume to avoid higher costs. Smart Proxy is best for marketers, developers, automation users, and online business owners who need consistent performance and low detection rates. It is also popular among people managing multiple social media or marketplace accounts. The surprising truth is that cheap proxies often cost you more in the long run due to bans, slow speeds, and failed tasks. Smart Proxy positions itself as a premium solution designed to work reliably. If you need dependable proxies that just work, Smart Proxy is worth serious consideration. Subscribe to the channel for more honest service reviews and digital tools that can save you time and money.